Chicago is home to some of the most unique high-rise buildings in the world. The city's innovative style of building came out of the Great Chicago Fire in 1871, which changed the way Chicago would be built forever. As architects shifted to more fire-resistant materials, their buildings became some of the strongest and tallest in the country. Join us as we look at 5 of Chicago's iconic buildings that left behind a legacy, influencing the city's new building designers to push architecture to new heights. The Aqua skyscraper by architect Jeannie Gang has a contemporary sculptural design that creates the illusion of water running along the sides of this 82-story building. Completed in 2009 with a budget of $300 million, the Aqua instantly set itself apart from the rest of the Chicago skyline with its unique aesthetic. The Aqua set a precedent through its careful engineering, employing GPS technology to ensure that each concrete balcony was poured in its precise shape to maximize shading and help break down gusty wind currents, making it a major feat of functionality and design. This Spanish colonial revival-style high-rise was commissioned by William Wrigley Jr. in 1920. The William Wrigley Jr. building is considered the first skyscraper on the Magnificent Mile, which stretches down Michigan Avenue from the Chicago River to Oak Street. Budgeted at $1 million, architects Graham, Anderson, Probst, and White designed the building after a 12th century Spanish cathedral. Completed in 1931, the Wrigley building is reinforced by steel framing. It has 2 towers connected by a bridge and is crowned by a bell tower clock. The Wrigley building was the first major office building in the area, and after an extensive renovation project completed in 2015, it continues to serve as a home for many businesses. Built in 1968 with a budget of $100 million, the John Hancock building became the world's second tallest skyscraper at 1,499 feet tall. Although this mid-century modern building was designed by Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill, it's the tubular system technology used on the building that was developed by engineer Fazlur Khan that would be used to build skyscrapers more than 100 stories tall all over the world. The building is best known for its obelisk shape and wind-resistant X-braces covering its exterior, which increases the building's floor space by eliminating the need for columns. The John Hancock is an icon of functional design and remains impressive to Chicagoans and architecture enthusiasts alike. This postmodern, transparent, dome-shaped building is the Thompson Center, designed by Helmut Yang. Completed in 1985 by architects Lester B. Knight and Associates, the Thompson Center was designed to reinvent the government building. Its distinctive rotunda allows for a ground view of all 16 floors, symbolizing the transparency and accessibility of the Illinois state government. Costing $172 million at completion, the building is made of 24,600 single-pane glass panels and reinforced red steel. For this reason, keeping this building cool has taken some innovative HVAC solutions, such as thermal storage. Despite its challenges, the Thompson Center's unique design makes it one of the largest enclosed spaces in existence today. At 17 stories high, the Monadnock is the tallest masonry-built skyscraper in Chicago. This 19th century commercial building was commissioned by developers Peter and Shepard Brooks in 1889 for $850,000. The north side, completed by architects Burnham and Root, is the last of its kind to use 6-foot-thick, load-bearing brick walls to build a high-rise. While the south side, built by Halliburton and Roche, uses an early method of steel framing. Built in 2 parts, with 2 different building techniques, the Monadnock leaves a legacy that represents a major transitional period in Chicago's architectural history. Thanks for watching! If you liked this video and want to see more, in addition to Bluebeam video resources, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our channel.